But anyway, I sit here. Okay, I'm scared. But it's been a long time I've seen Timmy. I mean, it's been like...
She came from Seattle, Washington to help me with the show, but I'm living here by myself with my mom.
It was kind of difficult for me to detach myself from Timmy. It's been a long time. Timmy, ever since his father passed away, 3 years old, siya. So I kind of, he became my friend, my companion, my kind of encouragement to move on, go forward. And yung iiwanan na niya ako, yung he decided to stay here. And I was kind of thinking, oh, paano ba yan? You know, I don't think I'll carry this through. But, you know, many years ago, when we were still struggling, I was being a single parent, I said to myself, well, I have to stand firm. So standing firm is standing firm with the Lord. So I started saying, okay, gagawin ko tong household ko, a household of faith. That's why ever since the time, I knew that when I was going to leave Timmy here, everybody said, hindi ko mo, papabayaan mo. But I said, God is with him, the foundation is good. And I know that God is going to be one of the purpose for him to come here is not only just to, you know, to makawala sa akin. But it is because I think he has a purpose na to share his music and to take care of my mother-in-law. So that was a very good purpose. And I said to myself, I can stand up firm, you know. And if you have the foundation of the Lord, I think everything's going to be okay. So I think right now what we're going to do is, with this concert, I praise God for having this one. It's his first solo concert. Dating kami dalawa.
We would just want to say thank you to my supporters who are here.
Timmy, Williard.
They are the Timmy Rangers. Because they all know I'm a big fan of Power Rangers. Everything from my ringtone, Power Rangers.
And I was just
thank you, Williard, James, and Chester.
And I was just telling them that ever since the time that you started, you know, tweeting, Facebooking to me, kayo nag-encourage kay Timmy kumanta ng kumanta because he felt like he has a responsibility to share what he has. And thank you for appreciating that. And with that, kaya eto, nandito tayo ngayon, and I'm so happy even with the Red Mark. So, for that, I have 5 tickets here for the concert.
5 tickets.
But Direct Mark is going to be...
Bye.
Direct Mark, okay ka naman, involved ka naman nito. So, you'll have your badge.
You have a badge.
There are less than 5 friends in this room.
So I thank you so much for Gospel Jam and for the family that you have always helped also team encourage Timmy. Bisking wala ako, alam ko, nandyan kayo. So thank you for Timmy Rangers, thank you for Gospel Jam for supporting him and giving him the strength. Even wala ako, alam ko, everything is gonna be okay, especially with knowing that God is. So praise God, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. And this is going to be, I think Timmy wants us to sing the first duet namin, bata pa kami. But it's because, we just wanted to share this with you. Hindi kami nag-rehearse, okay? Pinatutug lang na sa kotse kanina. Sabi, Mom, I think you must. I said, no. Sorry ha, kung ano lang.
Okay.
Okay, we're jamming, right? We're jamming. Okay.